400 horsepower and a hatchback that looks like your neighbor's grocery getter. But here's the part nobody sees coming. This thing hits 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. That's faster than a Porsche 911 from 10 years ago, and it costs less than a loaded Toyota Highlander. Let me say that again. You're getting supercar acceleration for family SUV money. The 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine makes 500 Newton-meters of torque. But the real magic isn't the power. Most all-wheel drive performance cars push you straight forward like a rocket. Predictable, safe, boring. This one slides, deliberately. Audi built in something called torque splitter. It sends power to individual rear wheels. So when you dive into a corner, the rear end rotates like a rear-wheel drive sports car. You can drift a hatchback, a sensible-looking hatchback. Here's where it gets interesting. The interior doesn't scream performance. No garish red stitching everywhere. No carbon fiber overload. It's just beautifully executed. Microfiber Dynamica on the seats. Subtle RS badges. The sport exhaust makes this 5-cylinder sound like nothing else on the road. It crackles. It pops. It has character that turbocharged 4-cylinders will never match. But nobody talks about the practicality part. This isn't a 2-seater track toy you can only use on weekends. 5 doors, real back seats, 380 liters of trunk space. You can take 3 friends to dinner and embarrass sports cars on the way. The adaptive dampers let you choose your reality. Comfort mode for daily driving. Sport mode when the road gets interesting. RS mode when you want to scare yourself a little. And the brakes. Massive 6-piston calipers up front. They stop this thing like you hit a wall. Because when you're hitting 250 kilometers per hour on the Autobahn, you need brakes that work. Now here's the controversial part. Some people say 5 cylinders are outdated, inefficient, wrong choice for modern performance. Those people have never heard one at 7,000 RPM. The engine note alone is worth the price of admission. It's automotive history that still exists in 2026. Every other manufacturer went to boring 4 cylinders or silent electric motors. Audi kept the weird engine, the one that sounds like half a V10. The tech package is ridiculous. Matrix LED headlights that draw patterns on your driveway. Audi smartphone interface. Adaptive cruise that actually works in traffic. Comfort plus climate package means ventilated seats, heated seats, every adjustment you need. This car doesn't make you choose between performance and comfort. You get both. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. Remove the limiter and it'll do more. But that's track territory. This car is about the 0 to 100 sprint, the backroad blast, the daily drive that doesn't feel daily. So here's the reality. You're looking at around 90,000 euros for the full package. That's expensive for a hatchback, but cheap for what you're actually getting. This is a car that makes 0 sense on paper and perfect sense the moment you drive it. Next time we're looking at something even weirder. An SUV that thinks it's a sports car and somehow pulls it off. You won't believe the lap times. Let me know in the comments if you'd actually daily drive this thing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.